The topic of today's video is how to fix low CPU and GPU usage in games. Now, this is the most common known fix that actually works, and that's why I'm recommending it. And do understand that it may not work for you. So, first thing that we want to do is we want to go to the search bar and we're just going to type view advanced system settings so we don't have to go through the whole rigmarole. Now in here we want to go to settings here under performance and we're going to go to advanced again, and here we are going to change our paging file size. And then we want to tick off automatically manage. We want to make sure that our paging file is on our C drive, which for me is an SSD, so that's always best. Then we want to go to custom size. And now this is really up to you. The minimum allowed page size is 16 megabytes, but the recommended, as you can see, mine recommends 2938. I've got it set to 4608, which is 4 gigs plus a little bit. You can set this up however you want. Keep in mind, this is the paging file on your hard drive. This is not your RAM. So you could set it to 8 gigs, you could set it to 4 gigs, you could set it to 16 gigs. I wouldn't though. But yeah, this is fully up to your PC. There is no official number to put in here. You can copy mine and go 4608. It's up to you. Test it. If it is not affecting your CPU and GPU performance, just go and set it back to being managed by Windows. So when you're done in here, all you do is hit OK and then hit apply on the next screen. And again, I'm going to emphasize this is not RAM. This is where sort of, to say, the physical RAM things are getting offloaded onto the drive. Just kept there temporarily until we need it again. That's probably a bad explanation, but that's as good as I get. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.